Today's bad business call out is Ashley Furniture in Shiloh, Illinois. I'm going to take you step by step on how to submit formal complaints against a company that wants to act an ashy ass, and we're going to use AI. They have no desire to fix the problem. They brought us the wrong product, and then they said, too bad, all sales are final. So we're taking them to court. So what I'm going to do is go to chat.openai.com. I'm going to put everything that happened in bullet points, and then I'm going to ask AI to write formal complaints to the state's attorney general, a separate one for the Better Business Bureau, another one for the Federal Trade Commission, and then I'm going to tell AI to reword it to make a Google review. We'll also use that for Yelp. Then I'm going to take the same formal complaint and then file a civil lawsuit against them in court. Now, the first step is the bullet points of the facts. Only you can do that. Follow along as I make mine. We bought a couch from Ashley Furniture in Shiloh, Illinois, with the understanding that it would be delivered in a month, which is already crazy, but my wife really wanted the couch, so we waited. They kept moving the date back. They even moved it back to May. We made several complaints about the delivery delays and went in to demand a refund. They convinced my wife not to get a refund and promised a delivery on April 16th, which was yesterday. They brought the wrong couch. I didn't know it. I was home. It's been a month. Well, I don't know what the couch looked like. My wife comes home and says, this is the wrong couch. I go into the store today and I said, y'all brought the wrong couch. Amber says, well, it's a sister couch. We didn't ask for the sister couch. We wanted the couch that we picked. She says, all sales are final. Call customer care. I said, the sale ain't final because y'all brought the wrong couch. She gave me the number to customer care. I called customer care. They said, if the store is not willing to take responsibility, there's nothing they can do. The salesman, Christian Usselman, who was very apologetic at first and begged her not to get a refund, is now saying that he told us it was a different couch. We only asked for a different color, not a different couch. Scratch a liar, find a thief. I would like to report fraud, bait and switch, and a breach of contract because they didn't bring what we paid for. And I'm charging the couch rent because it's taking up space in the house. Now I'm going to tell AI to use the bullet points to write a complaint letter to the Better Business Bureau. Wow. Rewrite the last output and make it to the Illinois State's Attorney General. Rewrite the last output and make it to the Federal Trade Commission. Rewrite the last output as a Google review. We're going to use it for Yelp too. Now, rewrite the last output as a grievance in small claims court. Now I just go to the respective websites and file my complaints. I'm going to turn this into a series, so follow along as I give you a tutorial on how to sue companies that like to play these ashy ass games, and we're going to start with Ashley Furniture. I'm not a lawyer, but I sue a lot. Experienced litigation that's been on both sides of the law. So next time.